So it is Friday morning and I am getting ready for work, and I figure why not try a vlog this weekend because tomorrow's Saturday and I am going to see the Devil Wears Prada again. I'm so excited for that. So yeah, I'm just doing simple makeup for work. I don't do like over the top makeup anymore for work because I try to save that all for doing all my TikToks and whatnot. But yeah, I don't know how well this vlog is gonna go because it's gonna be most of the day I'm gonna be at work and there's, I think, the garbage truck or something out. I'll be at work most of the day, and yeah, I don't have anything new to report. I live a very boring, mundane life apart from going to these concerts, and my husband hates being on camera, so we will see if I can get him to just I don't know, film some clips of me in the wild. So yeah, Friday morning I'm going to sign off now, and I will catch up with you probably when I get off work. Alright, going to try vlogging from my phone. I'm on my lunch now. My husband picked me up, so we're getting Panda Express because that's easy. Work is actually kind of slow today. It's not too bad. I have really messy hair today. I'm feeling a little sad. The talk of pregnancies came up, and I'm not pregnant. I have gained a lot of weight over the last few months, and she pointed out that I look a little pregnant because I have a little bit of a stomach, and so that's my Friday. Hi kitties. Hello. You miss me? You didn't miss me. You definitely didn't miss me. Hi, hello. It is officially where I'm off work and I am home. As you saw, my cats. And I'm filming this on my phone still because I don't know if I like my Sony camera anymore, just because the battery sucks on it and everything. But I got off at 5 and then we went to Target because Target is a happy place, and I got more Demon Slayer blind bags. So I got 2 like a week and a half ago, something like that, one of the last times we were out there, and I got these 2. I'm very bad at pronouncing anime names, but I got these 2, so I'm hoping I get one of the others. I really, of course, want Rengoku, and I want Inosuke, and I have not watched the newest season yet. So it comes like in this, so you can't see it. I got Rengoku. I have, you know, Rengoku on my arm. Oh, it's so cute. He is so cute. So happy with that. See, he's in the new one with the Love Hashira. I love anime and I love Demon Slayer, but when it comes to actually knowing how to pronounce anything, it just escapes me. Okay, if I get one that I don't have yet, it'd be a miracle. I just need Inosuke and I'll be happy. And it's a different one. I don't have him. I actually have a giant figure of him also. Not giant, like a bigger one. So these are my 3 new ones, and these are the other 2 that I had. Alright, so I have a mess with the packaging, so I'm going to hop off and clean it up. I'm gonna make dinner in a little bit, and then I don't know, that might be it for tonight. Yeah, and tomorrow is the concert. Super excited. So it's Saturday morning. Actually, it's like late morning, 10:58 in the morning. We don't get too often to sleep in on Saturday, so we took advantage of it. It's kind of rainy out today. I am going to start doing my makeup. I don't know what I'm going to be doing. I screenshotted that look or something like that. I'm kind of leaning more towards this because I am going to be wearing my glasses so I can see, and this I feel like I can do short lashes with, and yeah. makeup today. My eye will not stop watering, and I don't know what I did. I've been taking a break from makeup. It is currently raining. I had to stop doing my makeup because my eyes, both eyes are watering now. And he's getting gas. We're getting food, and then I'm gonna attempt to do my makeup again because I like doing my makeup for concerts.
Inside of me, you better watch out if you ignite me's a road ahead of full prophecy to be the greatest beast the world has ever seen. I feed him every day like the bones clean. I feed him all the hate and he grows mean. He gets claws real big, pissed off quick, and if you cross him you might drop dead. Metaphorically, of course, settling the sword, never getting bored, loves the blood and gore, always wanting more, feeding from the source. They don't really understand until they feel the force departed. If you start shit, you'll be heartless in the darkness, torn apart quick, you left scars ripped, you'll be chewed up and discarded. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate. Adrenaline pressure, it's stormy weather, lightning, thunder, pouring weather. Yo, I'm a go-getter, try to do it like me, but I do it better. I got a mind that's clever, the beast inside is competitive as ever. I'm conscious, my subconscious, an accomplice to me. I promise the darkness, I can honest believe. But don't cross me, I might lose control of the lost beast. He's locked away inside with the key controlled by fight or flight. And this world ain't right, won't accept it. Negative energy, I expect it. Once it's in your mind, it's infectious. So fight for your life and reject it. You better give me space, I'm protective. My adrenaline spikes when I'm threatened. And if you stay in my way, I'm aggressive. Cause when there's no exit, I'll kill when I'm desperate.
This is the aftermath of me doing my makeup, not knowing what I'm doing, watching The Cat in the Hat. I have the wig on and not sure how I feel, but we are ready to almost go to the concert. So, yeah. Probably gonna wait like another hour to leave. Doors don't open until 6:30, I think, and traffic looks like a nightmare. Love it. Love Chicago traffic. So I'm gonna clean up my mess, probably play a little bit of Animal Crossing, and then we'll be on our way. I forgot to include it, but I got a package from Apple Doll because I signed up to be an affiliate with them, and they agreed, and they sent me 3 free products to try out. This is just a little postcard. I know I got the mascara. I'm so excited for that. Oh, I got a sticker. Cute. And this is the packaging for an even bigger sticker. Love it. So this is the mascara, the Tarantula mascara. I am so excited to try this. Then I have the Kiss. I got it in the black shade called Poison. And then I got a blush. This is a True Love blush, and I got it in the shade Eve, which looks pretty dark, but I feel like the black lipstick and then this, it could be a whole whole entire vibe, and I just cannot wait to give these a try. So thank you, Apple Doll. Not that you watch my YouTube, but thank you.
Property rights. You're advocating for the issues that affect our neighborhoods. You're championing.
That's a 2-year project, and then they're doing the right 2 lanes after that. And then they're going to do the outbound side. So it's like all 8-year project.
That's crazy. Too much. I'm taking video because I told you I'm vlogging. But I hate vlogging in public.
Because it's not cool.
That's me. I don't want a camera everywhere we go.
Just enjoy what you're doing.
That's what I do. Okay. I don't think we took any video at the last concert. concert was a success.
Yeah, it was good.
So it's almost 11, so we're heading home. I will end the vlog tomorrow at some point. Hi, hello. It is a new day. New hair. That's a wig again. The concert last night was a lot of fun for the most part. We didn't much enjoy the venue because the venue is a little cramped. The setup, like there's pillars in the way, and then just the way that the bars were set up, weren't a fan of that. For the first band was from Bleed Within. Apparently this was their first time touring in the US, and they've been a band for 17 years. They were pretty cool live. Their worst Prada was amazing. They played Chemical, Broken, and Cancer. 3 heavy hitting songs in the feels. So yeah, awesome. And August Springs Red, we saw them before at Warped and Louisville, I think, and they were killer. But I have clips of the show, and yeah, I got some merch. I'll show that later. It's gonna be a chill Sunday. We're getting food now. We had to run to Target to get some groceries for the week, and then we are gonna run to Ikea, and then yeah, like I said, chill day. I'm looking for a shelf, so I don't know how well this vlog is going, but hopefully it's going well. We have one shelf up now, and these are my Demon Slayer figures. These are just some of my figures. I have a bunch of small ones, which are gonna go up on that shelf. Alright, it is going on 4 o'clock, and I'm gonna call it quits on this vlog. I don't know how well this is going on. I am trying to edit as I go. Pumpkin is scratching in the bathroom. You can kind of see her tail over there. But yeah, I don't know how often I'll do a vlog. Maybe I'll vlog the upcoming concerts I'm going to. Next one I'm going to is May 8th. I'm seeing Spirit Box at the House of Blues. And I'm supposed to see Fall Out Boy in June, but I might try to sell my tickets because it falls on the anniversary of my father's death, and it just doesn't feel right going to see that on the year anniversary. This was my vlog. Like I said, I don't live a very exciting life. Ikea is like a horrible place to go to on a Sunday, by the way. I'm just gonna be editing and cleaning the rest of the evening. I work in the morning, and more makeup content and everything else coming soon, so happy May.